Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Moxie DIY and Java. I'm Michelle. Today, we are going to be making some really yummy chicken and wild rice soup. I'm really excited to share this recipe for you. It's super easy and it's a showstopper. So grab your cup of coffee or your favorite beverage and join me. This recipe comes from Gooseberry Patch's Christmas in the Country cookbook. To start, I put 5 chicken thighs in my air fryer, seasoned with Costco's all-purpose seasoning. It's kind of like their version of Mrs. Dash, and salt and pepper. Now I'm just going to let them cool until I can cut them. Space between us. I apologize, this is blurry. It will clear up in a few seconds. Turn your eyes on me, learn how it truly feels. I'm melting the butter in my pot, and I am cutting up 1 large rib of celery. Heartbreak pulsing, raindrops beating, echo ringing. This is Costco's dried chopped onions. And this is matchstick carrots. Don't speak, better not to say a word. I really like this Uncle Ben's wild rice mix. It's got really great flavor. On this particular night, I forgot that I needed to pre-cook it, so instead of doing it on the stovetop, I'm going to do it in the microwave. Don't speak, I'm tired. I'm tired of waiting for you. I hate, but I adore. I leave it all alone as I go back to the basics. I'll set out on my own, take on the world and face it. I'm using this dried onion because my family's not a fan of onions, so this is a good way to get the flavor without the big onion chunks. People come towards us. Ooh, eyes they're looking down. Ooh. Sing me a song tonight and watch the rain pour. Wrapped up until daylight, I need nothing more.
a twisted soul. The darkness comes down to take me home. Ooh, I'm too close to the sun. Blinded by light to the golden one. Ooh, I'm too close to the sun. Blinded by light to the golden one.
Now we're going to stir in the flour to cook it and get the raw flour taste out, and this will also help thicken the soup later on. I really like using a combination of bone broth and regular chicken broth. I feel like it gives a better flavor in the soup. Although this recipe comes from a Gooseberry Patch cookbook, I did find the link for the online recipe, and I will link that in the description box below. I really love how much the evaporated milk creates a creamy texture to this soup. I had already used half of this bottle before this recipe, so I'm pouring in 8 ounces rather than 16. If you like this video and would like to see more from my kitchen, please comment below. Additionally, all of my social media handles will be listed in the description box below, and I would truly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Now I'm adding my pink Himalayan sea salt and pepper. Now I'm adding the rice and any liquid left over, and then I will let it continue to simmer for 5 minutes. As you can see, this recipe comes together really fast and it tastes so good. It's great for a really cold night or just when you really need some comfort food. If you do make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And until I see you in the next video, take care.